Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another edition of Black Male Advice TV, Ringo TV Reactions. We are back with another video. Female nature in 2022 must see. You've been warned. You see, brothers, I've been trying to give you brothers the game over the years, but you haven't been listening. You see, the modern woman is on a mission to take everything she can from you brothers. And because of your thirst, she's gonna accomplish that. You know, some things you can talk about in a video, but then there are some things you have to see for yourself. Let's react to this.
I really wish girls would stop arguing with these niggas on the internet about this, oh, what do you bring to the table conversation that everybody having now. Sir, nothing. I'm not bringing anything, and you're 100% correct. I agree with them niggas. Yes. Oh, you just looking for a nigga with a check. Yes. Because who the fuck said that? You guys are special. Like, guys in every class of society, whether it be the billionaires and the millionaires to the niggas that's fresh out of jail, bro, past your bread, who are you? Most of y'all have no fucking substance. Most of y'all can't sit at a dinner table and eat properly. A lot of you niggas ain't got no home training, shit stains in your drawers, boring as hell, no type of personality, nothing. And then you over here talking about what do you bring to the table? Nothing, dude. I look good. I got a fat ass. You like that. I'm going to take your money. I'm still going to be beautiful, and I'm going to go do it to somebody else until I find my Prince Charming.
Wow.
Somebody I actually care about. Because a lot of you niggas, after the bread, that's it. You're a check. So if you guys are seeing us as pieces of meat and, oh, they just look good, I'll be that. I really wish girls would stop arguing with these niggas on the internet about this, oh, what do you bring to the table conversation that everybody having now. Sir, nothing. I'm not bringing anything, and you're 100% correct. I agree with them niggas. Yes. Oh, you just looking for a nigga with a check. Yes.
You see, brothers, I've been trying to give you brothers the game. You haven't been paying attention. The modern woman really just see you brothers as a check. That is all you are. You see, they really don't got no love for you. A lot of times you brothers be looking at these sisters from head to toe and you think, man, she's so fine. She looking so good. I really like her. But what you don't know is she don't love you and she don't like you. The only thing she see in you is the fact that you're a simp. And she see the dollars. And that's her goal, to take what she can out of you. She's a walking, living leech, sucking you dry, taking your energy, taking your resources, with no care in the world. This is Female Nature 101 in 2022. All you young brothers gotta get this game. Because a lot of you walk into the game unprepared. No training. You don't understand these streets. You don't understand the modern woman's mindset. But this is what they do, fam. I'm trying to warn you. I'm trying to help you out before it's too late. Because a lot of you are walking in and burning the house. You out here putting your all into these relationships. Giving it your all. You're not vetting these women, and you're not trying to find out where their whereabouts is. You're not trying to find out their history and their background, and this is the true nature of the beast, fam. You can't make this up at all because she made it very plain and very clear. You have all these brothers telling you gotta have your money, you gotta spend your money. You know, women want a man that got the bag and they got all of this. Bruh, they're gonna just take advantage of you, fam. Check it out.
Because who the fuck said that? You guys are special.
Who said that you guys are special, fam? Do you see how she feel about you? She don't even consider you brothers to be special at all. In her mind, you're just a meal ticket. You're just an opportunity to get to next week, fam. While she laying up in her bed, a bunch of you guys are at home thinking about her, but she's not committed to none of you brothers. The only thing she's committed to is your wallet. You see, the rabbit hole goes deep, and the modern woman is out here seeking whom she may devour because she made a deal with the devil. And this is why the Bible says that beauty is vain. Who can find a quality woman in today's day? If you can, bro, you're blessed. Because the majority of the modern woman is full of Satan. And this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a woman that is going to be very materialistic. You're gonna get a woman that only see you as a check. She have no love for you, no companionship, no desire to be a wife. She is just looking for a trick. A guy who's gonna spend all his money, a guy that is gonna fly her out. And you know what's so sad? A lot of you brothers are simping in low key. A lot of you brothers been simping on Valentine's Day. A lot of you brothers been buying flowers, candies, and gifts. Flying women out, taking them out to dinners. Why? Because you're a sucker. And there's a sucker born every day. And all of you brothers better learn the way of truth, because if not, you are gonna be her next victim. Because you know, the modern woman comes equipped with all of the equipment to rip your pockets. You see, she don't give a damn about the future. She don't care about your feelings. And she know you want some of that box, and she know that you're looking at her behind, and she know that you're looking at her face, and you are mesmerized by her outward so-called illusion beauty. Beauty that is vain, beauty that is demonic, beauty that is seductive. And these are the weapons of mass destruction that the creature used to lure in her victims. Many men have fallen to the victim nature of the succubus, the demon nature of the modern woman, capable of taking your heart, capable of taking your soul. The power of the vagina. It is alive and living. The vagina of today is a demon, capable of taking your soul. Many men have released their spirits in the creature, and they lost their soul. She's responsible for breaking many hearts. Many men desire to keep her as his wife, but she don't want to be that. She wants to just take souls and rip pockets and take resources more and more and more. She is a living vacuum consuming all of life's resources. She have no care for your feelings. And we know many of you brothers develop feelings, and you catch feelings for the creature. You see, the modern woman is what you see on the screen. True female nature before you. Let's go.
Like, guys in every class of society, whether it be the billionaires and the millionaires to the niggas that's fresh out of jail, bro, past your bread, who are you?
Wow. Pass your bread? Who are you? Says the creature. Do you see that, fam? It doesn't matter your financial status. It doesn't matter how much clout you have. It doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you got. The modern woman see all of you brothers as the same. Outside of your money, who are you? She don't care about that. As long as you coming up out of them pockets. As long as you're buying that dinner, as long as you're treating her to trips, as long as you are taking her out, as long as you're buying her gifts and clothes, as long as you're buying her shoes, as long as you're buying her little gifts, that's all that matters. Because she knows that a lot of you brothers, you lead with your wallet. You have no character, you have no morals, you have no value, and you are responsible for creating this creature. And she's out there destroying souls. because she's carrying the demons from every man she encountered. The succubus, in her true form, is out here wreaking havoc upon mankind. Many men have been victimized. Many men have been ostracized. Many men get criticized by the beast. And anytime you lay up with the creature, you lose your soul. Once you go inside of her raw dog and you feel the warmness of the creature, you lose your soul. While you thinking you're getting the upper hand, while you thinking you have what it takes, while you thinking you've scored, as you lay with the creature, you lose your soul. And she laughs because she know you're a victim. Like the Black Widow spider, she goes in for the kill. You laid with her, and then she goes in for the kill. Many, many spiders laid up with the Black Widow spider. And they all thought they had the opportunity. They thought they scored, but later on they lost their soul. How many of you brothers have been the victim of a woman just like this? How many of you younger brothers are walking down this path of destruction? How many young men are on the brink of mental breakdown because they've fallen in love with a woman that is no good? A woman that don't care that she hurt your feelings. A woman that is playing games with your mind. A woman that is so fine and so beautiful, she's mesmerizing, hypnotizing. She got you losing sleep. She got you not wanting to go to work. She got you thinking about her every move. Bro, you are under the spell of the succubus. It's a demon from hell, a demon appointed by Lucifer, a demon of the fallen angels. This particular demon is in human form, and he comes to us in the form of a woman. Brothers, take heed to the warning. Many of these women that you see in the streets are not what you think they are. These are fallen angels from the abyss. This is not normal behavior, fam. When you see the creature, you must understand that this is not normal behavior of a woman. This, what you see on the screen, is a demon.
Y'all have no fucking substance. Most of y'all can't sit at a dinner table and eat properly.
She said we have no substance, fam. She said you can't sit at a table and eat properly. Imagine that. Of all things, she's talking about what we can't do properly. But yet she's out here destroying souls and taking resources. Brothers, you must warn the young. You must warn the young brothers of the fate ahead. Many of you young brothers are blindly walking through these streets. I'm trying to warn you of the impending destruction that lays before you. What you see on the screen is the true nature of the modern woman. There is no turning back. You must warn the brothers. Let's go.
You niggas ain't got no home training, shit stains in your drawers.
She said you have no home training. She said your drawers is full of crap. Now you have to ask yourself the question, how is it that she know that these brothers' drawers is full of crap? How does she know that? How many drawers has she looked into? How many men have she been with? You see, the succubus is a demon. A demon that will take your soul. Let me tell you something, brothers, about this particular demon. When you lay up with the succubus, you will think that for whatever reason that you have gained the success of scoring with the woman. But what you brothers don't understand is when a woman like that give you head and you experience the suction of the succubus, she will cause you to lose your soul because the pleasure will be unparalleled. The feeling you will have when she cause you to bust a nut, as she take in your DNA and swallow it completely. And you look in her eyes and realize that she took your soul. You will be connected to her and you will long to be around her, but she will never love you. She's incapable of loving you. She's incapable of bonding to you. For she is, in fact, a demon appointed by the devil. And her mission is to take your soul, take your resources, and move on to another man. This is the succubus, brothers.
Boring as hell, no type of personality, nothing. And then you over here talking about what do you bring to the table? Nothing, dude. I look good. I got a fat ass. You like that.
She said you like that, fam. She know that you desire her body. She know that you're looking at her features. She know that you're studying her body parts. She know that you're full of lust. She don't have one care about how you look. The only thing that she's concerned with is your wallet. She's concerned about what you can give her. And most of all, she's concerned about breaking your spirit, taking your soul, leaving you powerless. A woman like that have destroyed many mighty men. Many kings have fallen victim to the succubus, a demon, a dog, a wicked spirit, a viper, a snake, a leech, a blood-sucking demon from hell, designed to use seduction. She uses sex. She uses every desire in your heart to get them pockets, to make you come out them pockets. The demon is called the succubus. Understand that, brothers. This particular demon is called the succubus. And she have no care for your feelings. She don't love you. She can never love you. As much as you love her, she will never show you love in return. You invested your life into her, but she have no care for you. And if you have children by the creature, she will make you lose your mind.
To take your money, I'm still gonna be beautiful and I'm gonna go do it to somebody else.
She's gonna take your money. She's gonna do what she wanna do, and she's gonna do it to someone else. You can't make this up, fam. She's gonna take your money, and she's gonna do it to someone else. Brothers, she's gonna take your money, and she's gonna do it to someone else. Brothers, she's gonna take your money, and she's gonna do it to someone else. To someone else. To someone else. That is the nature of the creature. Her job is to move from land to land, man to man, abusing, taking, extracting souls, resources, cash, power. This is the true nature. This is female nature of today. You've been warned, brothers. Take the warning and share with your brothers. Take this video and give to your coworker. Tell your cousins. Give it to your friends. Don't make any more brothers fall victim. Because many of us brothers think that we're strong. We think that we can stand up against the creature, but what you must understand is that the succubus have a seductive power that will make you weak. And once you have a taste of what she have to offer, you lose your soul, brothers, and you will never be the same again. You will never be able to look at women again the same. Because you will finally see the truth. You will finally wake up and understand the reality. You will realize the world that you're in is filled with darkness, that this is not a reality of so-called love and tranquility, but it's actually a land full of darkness and misery. And there are so many more, just like her, that come to you in sheep's clothing. But inwardly, they are wolves, full of dead men bones and all uncleanness. What you see here, fam, is the true nature of the modern woman. She don't care about you, brothers. So why are you brothers simping? Why are you brothers caping for them? Why are you brothers selling your own brothers out for one of them? When you should be focused on your goals, you should be focused on your dreams, you should be focused on your health, you should be focused on who you are as a man, but instead you have fell for the plan of the succubus, this demon, this monster, this atrocity to mankind. This is a plague, and you brothers are the victims. Take heed to this bold warning. You won't be able to get content like this from no other content creator. No one else is bringing forth this truth, brothers. I'm trying to warn you. Listen.
Until I find my Prince Charming.
She's gonna continue to do what she's doing until she finds her Prince Charming. The nature of the succubus. Do you see, brothers? She will continue to do the same thing over and over and over and over. Over and over and over. Until she find her Prince Charming. The truth of the matter, brother, she will never find such a man because she's not interested in no Prince Charming. She's interested in taking souls, resources, and your power. The succubus. The succubus. That's her true nature, her true dynamic. Look at her, fam. Look at her face. Look at her nose. Look into her eyes is like looking into the eyes of Medusa. Looking into her eyes is looking into the valleys of the shadows of death. But we will fear no evil, for we know that the Most High is with us, and we will walk the path, and we will stand firm. Be strong, brothers. Be mighty men. Stand your ground against the creature, for she is out there, and she lays wait for every victim to come forth. Many men have fallen victim to her. Many men have been fallen, and many men have been broken like a piece of bread to the power of the succubi.
Somebody I actually care about.
She said someone she can actually care about. which means she don't care about none of you. Which mean all of the money you spend, all of the trips that you send, everything that you give her, all of the gifts you pay, all of the places she stayed at, all of the times you flew her out, and everything that you talked about, this woman don't care about you. You've been warned, brothers. I've given you the warning. The true female nature of 2022 is right before you. No other channel can give you this truth. I'm trying to direct you, brothers. You see, not all of us will be saved. 2/3 will be destroyed. The quality brothers amongst us must be warned. The brothers that mean right. The brothers that actually want to settle down. The brothers that truly want to find a quality woman. You must avoid this particular creature. This is the true nature of the modern woman. The succubus. The demon. They're all around you. Open your eyes, brothers. Look around you and pay attention.
A lot of you niggas, after the bread, that's it. You're a check.
After the bread, you're a check. Your money means nothing, brothers. They only see you as a check. You check in and they check out. You check in the hotel and then you check out. They take your soul, they take your money, they take your resources, they take your power. And if you wife them up and they divorce you, they take half of everything, if not 80%. And they leave you broken, shattered, battered and bruised, used. Brothers, don't refuse this truth. Open your eyes. Settle for the truth. Understand the truth. Ponder the truth. Replay the video over and over. Understand it and recognize the signs of the demon. She will come to you in a very seductress manner. The creature is very seductive. She will be beautiful, very flattering. Her body will be amazing. Everything about her is so seductive. You can't help yourself. You want to touch her. Look at her. She's gorgeous. She's pretty from head to toe. She's so delicious. When you look at her, you crave her. She's irresistible. Even the most mightiest of men amongst us can fall. The brothers with the most wisdom amongst us can still fall. The power of her seduction is so great that she will literally make you give up your soul for a moment of pleasure. A woman like that can make you, brothers, leave your own wife for her. You would leave a good quality woman for her. Why? Because of the seductive nature of the beast. She knows how to use flattery. She knows how to make her eyes glisten. She knows how to make her lips lure you in. She smells delicious. She's a temptress, a demon. She knows how to lure you. Very, very fascinating. You're intrigued by her. You want to lay with her. When you get around her, you become aroused. Instantly aroused. It don't take long. All you have to do is look at her. And you want her. You want a piece. And when you place your rod into her vagina, brothers, you lose your soul. If you were to see the creature naked and she turns around and you see her behind and you see that wagon and the shape of that wagon and the heart shape and how it looks, you will literally cry. When she turns and look back at you and tell you to put it inside of her. And as you do it, you feel a rushing effect as you lose your soul. as she drains your energy. And when you climax, you will never be the same again. Because the succubi took your soul. Beware, brothers. You've been warned of the creature.
So if you guys are seeing us as pieces of meat and they just look good, I'll be that. I really wish girls would stop arguing.
You see, brothers, if you see these women as a piece of meat, she will be that. Think about that, brothers. She will be that piece of meat. Look at her eyes. Look at her face. Now imagine if you're behind her hitting it from the back. That is the expression she have on her face. Because she know that while you're inside of her, you're loving every bit of it. And she know the feeling you're getting is just a placebo effect where she takes your soul. And she knows after that moment of pleasure, she can extract whatever she want out your wallet. She know that you're gonna give her whatever she needs. This is the nature, brothers, of the beast. And this particular spirit is in women. This particular demon can come inside of any woman. It can jump in and out of them like the Matrix, like Agent Smith. I liken this to the Agent Smith effect. On one side, she becomes nice, and then the other, she switches up and becomes a new woman. So my brothers, which one will you choose? Will you choose the woman that you know is virtuous, a woman of quality, a woman of honor? Or will you choose the creature that you see on the screen? Think about that long and hard, brothers.
Again, with these niggas on the internet about this, what do you bring to the table? The conversation that everybody having now. Sir, nothing. I'm not bringing anything, and you're 100% correct. I agree.
She's not bringing nothing, brothers. She's not bringing nothing.
Agree with them niggas. Yes. You just looking for a nigga with a check. Yes. Because who the fuck said that? You guys are special. Like, guys in every class of society, whether it be the billionaires and the millionaires to the niggas that's fresh out of jail, bro, past your bread, who are you? Most of y'all have no fucking substance. Most of y'all can't sit at a dinner table and eat properly. A lot of you niggas ain't got no home training, shit stains in your drawers, boring as hell, no type of personality, nothing. And then you over here talking about what do you bring to the table? Nothing, dude. I look good. I got a fat ass. You like that. I'm going to take your money. I'm still going to be beautiful, and I'm going to go do it to somebody else.
What?
Until I
Wow, brothers.
Somebody...
Wow, fam. There is no way around this, fam. She's going to continue to do what she's doing until she find her Prince Charming. Brothers, female nature in 2022. Must see. You've been warned. You like the content? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell for more videos. Make sure you thumb up the video and share with your friends. This is Black Male Advice TV, the only channel on YouTube bringing you the truth, 100% raw and uncut. I'm out. Peace.
If you like our content, consider supporting via Cash App at $RingoTV Raw. Become a patron on patreon.com for exclusive video content not shown on YouTube. You could also support through PayPal at paypal.me/RingoTVRaw. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified of new content. Follow me on Instagram at RingoTVRaw.
This is Black Male Advice TV, the only channel on YouTube bringing you the truth, 100% raw and uncut. I'm out. Peace.